Good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel SRVS Creatives. Who are preparing TET examination in Telangana state, that members must see my videos. Today topic is plant parts and functions. First topic is parts of the plant. Plant have the different types of parts: root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. First, root. Roots always observe the water. Roots always observe the water and it helps to fix the roots. Roots are always fix the on soil, and some plants fruits food also store in roots. And the next part is stem. Stem, it helps to transport the water throughout the parts of the plant and balance the tree. And next part is leaves. Leaves, it helps to prepare the food in the process of photosynthesis. This total process completely done in the presence of sunlight. And leaves only release the oxygen and it helps to exchange of gases. Release the oxygen and takes the carbon dioxide gas. And flower, it helps to the reproduction. Flowers always helps to the process of reproduction. And next part is fruits. Fruits always protect the seeds, and that seeds only grows into to form the new plant. These are the 5 different types of parts of the plant. Root always absorb the water, and stem always transport the water, and leaves all helps to prepare the food, and flowers helps to the reproduction. Fruits are protect the seeds. And next one more topic is roots. Roots are again 2 types. One is the tap root and second one is fibrous roots. Tap root have only one main root. Suppose for example, this is one main root and all remaining roots are like this, like ante means tap root have the only one main root and fibrous roots not have the main root. These all roots are like this, like hair like structure of the roots are having some type of plants. That type of roots are the fibrous roots. Some plants store the food in roots. That type of plants are the tuberous roots of the plant. Example of the tuberous roots plants are radish, carrot, beetroot, and these are the most important examples of the plants. That plants are also called as tuberous roots plants. And the next one is leaf. Leaf have the 5 different types of parts. First, middle of the line. Middle of the, any plant, any leaf have the middle of the one strongest line. That is the midrib. And very small line is the lamina. Very smallest line is the veins. And balancing of the leaf is the petiole. And the starting point of the leaf is leaf base. Next, venations. Venations are 2 types. Reticulate venation, parallel venation. And reticulate venation examples are mango leaf, hibiscus leaf, neem leaf. These all are the reticulate venation of the leaves. And grass, rice, banana leaves are the parallel venation of the leaves. And what is the difference between the reticulate venation and parallel venation? Means reticulate venation, all laminas have the structural laminas, and parallel venation all laminas are straight side by side. One lamina is straight and another laminas also straight. This type of venation is the parallel venation. Next one is leaf. Leaf always act as a plant nose. Suppose we have the nose, that nose we are using to exchange the gases. Same like our nose, leaf act as a plant nose. This leaf always helps to exchange of the air between the plant and atmosphere. And the next one is transpiration. Transpiration is one of the process. In this transpiration process, plants release the excess amount of the water. Suppose we are pour the some amount of the water, that water completely absorbed by the roots, and some types of stems also transfer the water throughout parts of the plant. Here also roots only take some amount of the water, and excess amount of the water will be released in the form of water vapor. This process is transpiration. And the next one is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis process completely done in the presence of sunlight. Most important parts of the photosynthesis process is leaf and water. In the presence of sunlight, plant prepare the food. This process is called photosynthesis. Modified stems means some plants store the food on stems, some plants store the food on roots, some plants store the food on stems. Which plants store the food on roots? The type of plants are the tuberous roots. Which plants store the food on stems? That type of plants are the modified stems. Example of modified stems are potato, garlic, ginger, sugarcane and turmeric. These are the example of modified stems. In our state, the Warangal district, they are using the different types of leaves to prepare the mythological figures and drawn with being colors and write the leaves. అంటే వరంగల్ డిస్టిక్ వాళ్ళు లీవ్స్ పైన కొన్ని రకాల బొమ్మలు వేసి తయారు చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. వాటిని మైథలాజికల్ ఫిగర్స్ అని కూడా మనం పిలుస్తాం. ఈ చాప్టర్ నుంచి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ ఏంటంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్యూబరస్ roots and examples of modified stems and importance of all plant parts and what is the use of transpiration and what is the use of photosynthesis. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. ఇంతవరకు ఎవరైతే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకుండా చూస్తున్నారో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ and share. Thank you all.